Yeah, so I just shared that link. I have a report. Yeah, yes, sir. Please, can you just explain me, sir, what is the? I mean, like, what is your security missing patches missing? I downloaded and seven missing updates. Okay, what are the seven missing updates, sir? I think in my case it was a .NET. Okay, share it. Yeah, please share it in chat if required. So what is the security missings, patches missings? No, just share it so that others can get an idea what exactly the updates you are getting. So that if it is a common thing, you can download and you can keep in a common folder, and you can suggest what exactly we can require. Okay. So I think hope this is done in your side. Yes, correct. See, like Adobe Flash Player plugins, and there is some n number of yeah, about internet updates, Flash Player plugins. Yeah, most of the things are Flash Player only, right? I think if what is the solution for this? I think you have to go to that security Flash Player message and you have to download it. Okay. So these are some of the things you can do it, and what exactly the patches are missing. You can manually, or if, when you go to the link, you can download it. Okay. So otherwise, the second option is like there is a security updates option for your PC, right? So you have to go to that internet Windows update. I think hope you all knows like how to update your PC, right? So there is a Windows update options. I think I have to get some other results from other persons also. Okay. So what other like what other security missing security patches for others? Can you just tell me like what are the security patches missing for others? Yes, so Windows 10, I mean like this particular KB45803 is there, no? You have to download these things, okay? So, but in some case, what exactly happen is like suppose you will be getting a one update, right? One or two updates missing or three security updates missing. Okay, but when you try to download the things, so you may come across like any number of many number of updates to be installed, right? It's not like one or two updates are missing, but when you just try to install, when you go to downloads and updates, so still you may there may chances like getting a updates, some extra updates will also be added to your already existing updates. Okay, so these are the some of the things which you have to harden your PC with respect to the Windows operating systems. Okay, I think someone has requested to just tell the these things. So I think I am. Can you able to see my screen, right? My screen is visible for you, right? Yeah. So these are the some of the tools which we have to. Yeah, these are the some of the tools which we can see. Yeah. So the tools which we discussed is Nessus Professional. I'll just go to that this thing. Yeah. So these are some of the vulnerability scanning tools. I think hope you are seeing my PPT, right? Yes, I think okay. I think I want to see what are the missing updates for you. I think one member I was given with respect to Bellark Advisor, and there is a window. I mean Adobe Flash Player, and someone has posted that there is a Windows 10 security patches with respect to security patches OS related, and another one result is with respect to the software related. I want to see like others what exactly the results you got. If you are in front of your PC, can you just two security updates missing? Yes. So Vijay Bharati ji, can you tell me like yeah, one for Photoshop? Okay, great. So you can just go to that Photoshop. What are the security missing patches missing? You can download it and you can install it. Okay. It's not like that you can you first time you have done and you can done it. Okay. So after installing the software also you have to see whether you are getting what kind of result you are getting. Yeah. Security up to date. Great, Vishal. Yeah, Vishalji, great. Your security is up to date. Yeah. So if it is not up to date, then you have to compulsory. Yeah. So Microsoft security update. Okay. Microsoft Office, right? Microsoft Office security update. Yes. So these are the some of the things you have to see. One security update missing. Can Venkatarama Sharma ji, can you tell me like one security update missing? कौन सा है बोल के? What is that name? Whether it is related to software or whether it is related to OS. If you click that thing, I think it will get redirect to that page. Okay. Yeah, security up to date. MS Office 2007, right? So MS Office 2007 is the old version. So that's what maybe it has some kind of loopholes. For that purpose, it is giving you to whether it is upgraded or you have to what we say like you have to patch. Okay, whether it is giving a upgrade or whether it is telling like it is an out of license. Sharma ji, MS Office 2007, whether it is telling to upgrade completely. Yeah, end of the life, correct. Because it has having an end of the life. So either you have to go with the latest version or you can do it. Okay. Suppose I am telling you one question for you. Sharma ji, suppose there is a MS Office 2007 you are using. Okay. But your requirement is like there is a for suppose MS Office 2007 you are using, but for taking a new license again it costs, right? Suppose I want to tell you like you harden your MS Office 2007. So is it okay? Is it necessary or is it right thing to say? Can we harden MS Office 2007 also? There is no chance like MS Office 2007 can be migrated, right? So, but I want to know, 2007 can be update. I mean, like can be hardened. Yes, I don't. No, I don't think correct. So there are some kind of yeah, it will have to upgrade. Correct, sir. Correct. So you have to upgrade it. Okay. But like when we see, I think when we come to the our afternoon session, so there is some kind of things. Let me just check it out. Like they have some document whether it can be done for the MS Office or not. Let me just check it out. Okay. So there is some documents actually. I don't think whether for 2007 we can do or not, but I think we can harden it. Okay. So we'll see that in detail, in depth in our afternoon post lunch session. Okay. I think yeah. So we'll just go to that our Bellark this thing. Okay. Yes. So I think these are the one of the tool actually where you can install it. Okay. So next will come with our one more tool is there. So have you heard about this MBSA tool? Microsoft Base Security Analyzer. I have tried this installing virus protection up to date, and yeah, Pavitra Mohan has given like virus protection. Yeah, I think virus protection is up to date. I'm just coming one by one. And security did, yeah, okay. Office proofing update is missing in my personal Can you explain me what is office proofing? Office proofing. I think it's with respect to this spellings and grammars, madam. Okay. So if it is a commercial tool, so I'm just typing here. Okay. So office proofing is nothing but with respect to your language and your with respect to this grammar and spelling check. Okay.